Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I finally received my first mod for my Mazda, my daily driver, from CorkSport. I'm gonna open it up. Damn, should look easy. Guess that. Bells. Filter. Bracket. Hardware. So before I go outside and install this, I'm just gonna set everything up that I need to and do it in the house, and then once I go outside I just gotta unplug the map sensor, plug it in, and tighten everything else up. Skipping over some of the instructions. So this is a M5 5mm. Take those two out. Install this bracket. Put Loctite on these if you want. If not, just torque them down. Probably snug so it doesn't go anywhere. Fucking shit. Sorry. So that's what I have. So hopefully when I get in the car I could just still adjust this, take these out, put the map sensor in, and tighten everything, and then I should be good to go. Should be a lot quicker than what the instructions say. So that was the stock noise. And then for this, all I have to do is take this out, which is a 10, take this out, unplug these, take the map sensor out, and disconnect this. So when you're trying to do car mods and you have no garage, so this one, this one, let's see, disconnect. So loosen this, disconnect this, take this out, take this out too. So I need to take this out as well. Put this out, pull it out from there, and we're good. Took this out. I'm probably gonna have to take this out eventually. Just right now it's too cold, and I'm trying to do this before I freeze to death. But take this out. Which, since it's a new car, shouldn't be that hard. you take this out and you transfer it here, but I'm gonna take these out before I transfer it. That way I don't lose them. This is a M3 socket. I mean hex. Put that in my pocket. Take this out, and then it should only fit one way. And if it doesn't, always remember this has to face towards the battery. So put it in like that, and then put the bolts in and you're good. Don't over tighten these because you'll break the sensor. Who knows how much these sensors are. This is a brand new car. That's good enough. Good enough for now. And then proceed to take everything else out. Yeah. Fuck. Take those two bolts out, because it all falls into there. So take those out. I'm gonna put this duct work back in. I don't know if the instructions say to, but I guess I should have read it before, but I just put it in now and read it when I have time. Also, you gotta take the rubber pieces off of the bottom part of the stock box. And put them on the new piece. Shouldn't be that hard. They go in here and you should be good to start putting everything back together. So tighten that. That's a 10. Make sure these are tight after it's fitted, and the bottom two, and then should be good to go. Puts it up, but you could definitely tell now. See with the windows up. Ooh, you could definitely tell. Stay tuned for future videos on this car and other projects that I have. Until next time.